To watch this recipe in Hindi, check the link in description box below and also subscribe to Rudala's Cookbook Hindi channel. Hello everyone, I'm Rudala and once again welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe that I'm going to share with you all is Kobhi Kothimbir Vadi. It is Maharashtrian snack recipe made with cabbage and coriander leaves. So let's see what we need for this. To make Kobhi Kothimbir Vadi, we need 1 cup chopped cabbage, 1 cup roughly chopped coriander leaves, 1.5 cup gram flour, that is besan. I have sieved this flour because store-bought gram flour has got tiny lumps of flour in it, so it's better that you sieve it. 1/4 cup rice flour, 2 small green chilies, half-inch piece ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, that is dhania, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, that is jeera, half teaspoon Carrom seeds, that is ajwain, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, that is til, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, pinch of asafoetida, that is hing, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon sugar. I'm using powdered sugar so that it gets mixed well with other ingredients. Salt to taste and water to make the dough. We also need oil for frying. First, in a pan, take coriander seeds, cumin seeds and carom seeds. Roast them on medium flame for 2 minutes. Take this out in a grinding jar. Also add ginger, green chili and garlic. Don't add any water to this and grind this till it forms a coarse dry powder. Next, in a large mixing bowl, take cabbage, coriander leaves, gram flour, rice flour, salt, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, hing, sugar, sesame seeds, this ground masala powder and lemon juice. Mix everything well. Once everything is well combined, then add very little water and bring everything together to form a dough. This dough is ready. Grease the surface with oil and take the dough on it. Roll it out smooth to form a cylinder-shaped log. Next we need to steam this, so here I have a steaming plate. Grease it with some oil. Place this log in the steaming plate. Steam this on medium flame for 20 to 25 minutes. After around 20 minutes, let this cool down a bit. And then cut them in 1 cm thick slices. These slices are ready to fry. You can either deep fry them or shallow fry them. I'm going to shallow fry them, so I have some oil heating in a pan. Once oil is hot, put the slices in it. The flame should be between medium and high. They are already cooked from inside, so we just have to fry them till they turn brown and crispy from outside. Turn them and fry from other side as well. They are done. You can serve them as snack along with green chutney or ketchup, or they also goes well as a side dish along with just plain dal and rice. I hope you all liked today's video. Do try this recipe and leave your feedback in the comments below. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then click on that red subscribe button which is right below this video. So I will see you all soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.